Habibi, please don't stay in a haram relationship. Please understand that thing. I know at the starting it feels like very butterfly, butterfly, but at the end it's worst. It's miserable. It's unexplainable. The time you're attached to someone, and if that person is not in your nasib, then everything be like boom. So you have to understand there is a reason why Allah has said that not to stay in a haram relationship. If there is no future, then what is the reason that you're staying with that person? You're destroying your this dunya also, which is temporary, and your akhirah, which is permanent. Prepare yourself for akhirah. If that guy is meant for you, Allah will make that person your. So understand that if you love someone very desperate about it, go talk to their parents, go talk to your parents about them, that this is a certain person I love. Until if you don't have that courage, then don't stay in haram relationship, please, hoping that it will end with nikah. No, everything is from the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have to understand that. You have to understand that. Do you love Allah most, or do you love this person most? Because by Allah only that person is in this world. If Allah wants to, He will. If He don't, then you have to understand how worst it could be. How worst it could be that person, how worst it could be in your life. So you have to understand. Especially I would say it to females. If a guy wants you, he has to earn you by nikah, with dignity, with respect, with love, by showing the public that you are his wife, not by escaping. Do you understand, girlfriend, how cheap it feels? How cheap? Oh, he's my man, he's my boyfriend. Are you dumb? Are you literally dumb? After hearing that, how cheap it feels. Now, whenever I hear that thing, my blood rises. Now, it literally rises. You have to understand that it's not something cool or it's something praiseworthy. The time you will understand the factor, you will get it by your own. Now you are having butterflies. I know you would like to skip this video because I want to stay with that person. But anyways, Allah is there. You have to understand that Allah is more important. He's more important than that person. If you literally love that person, you will leave him. You have to leave him. And Allah will decide. Let Allah decide. Let Allah